The success of the Galaxy A54 has set the bar high for the just released Galaxy A55. After the Samsung Galaxy S and Z foldable series, the Galaxy A5x series is likely the most popular in the company's portfolio for the good reason. This year's model makes gains in the key area. The new A55 boasts a big display, a more powerful chipset, more RAM in the base configuration, and a tougher and more premium build. Most other aspects of what made the Galaxy A54 successful remains untouched. The micro SD card sport good primary camera garnished with a decent ultra-wide shooters, dependable battery life, and IP67 rated build. Moreover, this time it uses an aluminum frame and a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. But will this be enough to persuade potential buyers? After all, the sub €500 competition in Europe is furious, and the same goes with the Indian rupees 40,000-ish bracket. What made the A54 good in 2023 doesn't necessarily mean it will be enough in 2024. The competition is catching up, and we have seen some pretty solid mid-rangers come out in the first quarter of this year. So stick around to see if the A55 is worth your hard-earned money.
The Samsung Galaxy A55, a middle schooler's guide to the specs. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is 161.1 by 77.4 by 8.2 mm in size and weighs 213 grams. It has a glass front, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, glass back, Gorilla Glass, and aluminum frame. It is also IP67 dust and water resistant, up to 1M for 30 minutes. The phone features a 6.60 Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and 1000 nits brightness. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and 390 ppi. The display also supports an always-on feature. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, 4nm with an octa-core processor, 4x2, 75 GHz Cortex A78 and 4x2, 0 GHz Cortex A55, and X-Clips 530 GPU. The phone comes in three variants: 128GB ROM 8GB RAM, 256GB ROM 8GB RAM, and 256GB ROM 12GB RAM. It also has a micro SDXC slot for expandable storage. The Samsung Galaxy A55 runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1 on top. The phone has a 50MP wide main camera with f1, 8 aperture, OIS and PDAF. It also features a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera and a 5MP macro camera. The front camera is 32MP with f2, 2 aperture. The rear camera can shoot 4K videos at 30fps and 1080p videos at 30/60fps with gyro EIS. The front camera also supports 4K and 1080p video recording. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery and supports 25-watt wired charging. The phone supports 5G connectivity, eSIM, hybrid dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. Other features include an under-display optical fingerprint reader, stereo speakers, and virtual proximity sensing during calls.